Tesla is reporting a significant boost in production capacity across all of its factories, with the company on track to produce 2 million vehicles per year. Hi, this is Eco Electric, where you'll be getting all the latest news, updates, and stories concerning Tesla, Rivian, and more. If you enjoy our content, support us by giving this video a like, and why not subscribe for more? Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so you'll be the first to know each time we release a new video. While Tesla had a difficult Q2 2022 owing to the forced shutdown of Gigafactory Shanghai, we knew that the automaker used the opportunity to raise capacity everywhere. Tesla updated its installed production capacity across all of its factories today with the release of its Q2 2022 quarterly earnings, confirming the significant overall increase. Fremont Factory increased annual manufacturing capacity by 50,000 EV, representing a 10% increase in Model 3 and Model Y output. Tesla just stated that Fremont produced its 2 millionth vehicle. Gigafactory Shanghai had the largest rise, rising from 450,000 to over 750,000 vehicles per year, making it the world's largest electric vehicle factory by a huge margin. Tesla addressed the factory in its Q2 earnings report. Despite the fact that the Shanghai factory was shut down completely and then partially for the duration of Q2, we concluded the quarter with a record monthly output level. Recent equipment modifications will allow us to increase our manufacturing rate even higher. The automaker has shared new images of its Chinese factory. In Texas, Tesla currently has a deployed manufacturing capacity of more than 250,000 vehicles per year, which it stated was achieved by introducing production of vehicles equipped with older battery packs. Our Fremont factory made a record number of vehicles in Q2. We see opportunities for further production rate improvements. In Texas, we have added flexibility to produce vehicles with either a structural battery pack or an old battery pack. The next generation of 4680 battery cell machinery has been installed in Texas and is in the process of commissioning. Factory output in Texas continues to grow. Tesla Gigafactory Texas will open in July 2022. Tesla did not provide as much details about Gigafactory Berlin, but did report a deployed manufacturing capacity of over 250,000 units. Our team in Germany produced more than 1,000 Model Y vehicles in a single week, employing 2170 cells, thanks to excellent production rate improvements near the end of Q2. We anticipate that the production rate will continue to improve for the rest of the year. Tesla warned that there will still be production hurdles owing to workforce shortages and supply chain issues, but also expressed confidence in a big ramp-up in the second half of the year. What do you think about Tesla's exciting second quarter earnings? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this one coming in the future. See you later.